must have heard the term vibe coding, but have you ever wondered what it is? Well, imagine building an app or a website within minutes without spending months learning a particular language or a framework. That's the magic of vibe coding. As easy as it sounds, अभी भी कई लोगों को लगता है कि maybe vibe coding के लिए you need some paid tools या फिर you need some expertise. तो इस वीडियो में I will show you how to use AI tools to vibe code and build an app or a website within minutes. I'll also share with you how you can monetize this to start earning money in college. Let's get started. सबसे पहले लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज वाइब कोडिंग एंड हाउ इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ट्रेडिशनल कोडिंग. सो ट्रेडिशनल कोडिंग का मतलब कि अगर मुझे कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है, सबसे पहले आई हैव टू लर्न द लैंग्वेज और द फ्रेमवर्क विच माई प्रोजेक्ट विल यूज. उसके बाद आई हैव टू सेट अप एन एनवायरमेंट, आई विल डाउनलोड ऑल द बाइनरीज दैट लैंग्वेज और फ्रेमवर्क नीड्स, एंड देन आई हैव टू स्पेंड आवर्स राइटिंग कोड एंड डीबगिंग. ये सब काम फ्लिप हो जाता है व्हेन एआई कम्स इन यूजिंग वाइब कोडिंग. क्योंकि वाइब कोडिंग में what you do is you just prompt AI to build something for you. So it's an AI assisted minimal friction way of building a website or an app within minutes. तो इसका मतलब आपको अगर कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट का आइडिया आया है and you just want to test कि क्या ये कैसा बनेगा, कैसा दिखेगा, you can do that within minutes using vibe coding. You can also build on your existing projects. अगर आपको कोई फीचर ऐड करना है and you're not really sure how that can be possible, you can do that through vibe coding. So in this video I will give you a tutorial on how you can vibe code as a beginner. But उससे पहले let's discuss what are the tools that are available for vibe coding. Of course you have some general purpose AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini जहाँ से you can get your code generated. But you also have specific AI tools for coding जैसे कि GitHub Copilot, you have Replit Ghostwriter, you have Claude and Cursor AI. Now all of these AI tools will have some basic usage which is free, which you can use as a student. Then there are also low code or no code platforms जहाँ पे आप drag and drop करके websites बना सकते हो या फिर एक Excel sheet से एक app बना सकते हो. I'm talking about platforms like Bubble and Glide, and you will find a lot more AI tools and such platforms. Let me give you some example projects which you can build using these tools. You can make an AI resume analyzer जहाँ पे if you upload a resume as a PDF, AI can analyze your resume and suggest improvements. You can create a restaurant menu app जहाँ पे कोई Excel sheet या PDF कोई upload करे तो उससे automatically एक app बन के आ जाए for a particular restaurant's menu. You can make an event registration app जहाँ पे people can post about events and register for other events. और a simple idea like a daily affirmations app जो कि आपको हर रोज कुछ affirmations देगा. So these are some basic ideas which you can get started on. Now I will show you how to build 2 projects जिससे आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि आप भी कैसे स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. And for this tutorial I'll be using Cursor. So step 1 is go to cursor.com/download and download Cursor for your laptop or desktop. तो यहाँ पे मैंने Mac OS के लिए Cursor को डाउनलोड कर लिया है. Once you open Cursor, if you want to use the agent which Cursor provides, the AI agent, तो उसके लिए आपको इसमें login करना पड़ेगा, which you can login using your Gmail or any other ID. Now I have already logged in here and I'll proceed by creating a new project. Let's create a new folder called vibe coding. एंड इसके अंदर मैं अपना पहला ऐप बनाऊंगी विच विल बी अ टू डू ऐप व्हाट मोस्ट पीपल क्रिएट व्हाइल लर्निंग अ न्यू फ्रेमवर्क और लैंग्वेज. सो लेट्स डू दैट फर्स्ट. सो इफ यू क्लिक हियर ऑन द टॉगल AI plane, you will be able to see a chat box here. Now this is where you chat with the AI agent which is provided by Cursor, जहाँ पे आप कुछ भी input दे सकते हो on what kind of project you want to build. Now giving the right prompt is very important here. ठीक है, but don't put too much pressure about it. You can get started with a basic prompt and then you can build on it, which means you can ask the AI again to modify the code or you can even like change the prompt later on if required. So to-do app ke liye, let's ask the AI build a to-do app in React where I am able to add tasks and mark them completed. Okay, that's all the prompt I give. Now what it will do is it will think about it and it will solve the problems. It will break the problem into smaller problems and it will create a to-do list for all those smaller problems. So एक एक करके ये पूरी list के go through करेगा and उनके लिए जो भी इसने code implement करना है वो करेगा. Also, it will ask permissions for you whether you want to allow it to create projects or not. So you can do that for a particular session or you can do that for all sessions. So to test what the AI agent has created, all we need to do is run these commands which it has also provided us. So we'll just copy it here. Now React was already installed in my setup. अगर आप कोई भी new language में कोई और language में code करवाते हो, you should have the particular framework installed in your setup, or it will also provide you the steps to install it in your setup. But इसके लिए शायद कुछ permissions चाहिए होंगी which the AI might not have. So जो setup है initial for a particular framework or a language, that you'll have to do. Now हमें यहाँ पे बताया गया है कि यहाँ पे local host पे हमें अपना to do app मिल जाएगा. So let's try it out. So right now I'm not able to see any text here. So let's ask the AI agent what went wrong. I only see a colored background and no text. Is the text same color as background? So here it is asking me to accept the changes, and you can do that, and let's see if it is able to fix the issue. So I just refreshed and now I can see my to-do app. Let me try adding something. Create project, and I can see my task getting added here. Get dependencies. And it also mentions how many of the tasks are completed or not. I can also ask the AI agent to add additional functionalities. For example, can you add functionality to tag the task by category? So while adding a particular task, if you want to tag them to a particular category, that's the functionality that I've requested. Let's see if it can build it. The AI agent also tells you exactly what all changes it is making, and basically it's like it's having a conversation with you, like you would have a conversation with an interviewer telling he, okay, now I'm thinking this, now I'm thinking this, here's the steps that I need to take to fix this or to add this functionality, and these are the changes that I suggest. So you can go through all these to understand better the code that is being written. And now while adding a particular task, I can also tag it and I can filter by categories. Okay, so this is your basic to-do app that you've built within minutes using vibe coding. Let's build another project now. The next project is going to be a meeting scheduler. So what I want is create a meeting scheduler website which allows someone to schedule a meeting with me within my meeting preferences. Okay, so I can tell what are my preferences are. So I want the meeting to be on a weekday and between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Add a calendar to show scheduled meetings. Okay, so here I haven't mentioned what tech stack I want it to be. So if you are not going for a particular tech stack, you can let the AI agent decide what would be the best one for it. It will most probably choose a basic one. For example, it might choose JavaScript in this one. It's also using React for front end, which might be because it might be taking into context that the previous project we asked it to build was in React. So these are very basic projects that I'm trying to show you how to build, and these are very basic prompts as well, where in a layman language I'm asking the AI to build something for me. Now as you get more context into what you're building or what a particular website or an app requires, how to connect it to a database, how to connect it to an API, how to add additional functionalities, how do you figure those things out? Well, that's where you can take help of any any AI agent like ChatGPT or Gemini, where you explain that AI agent what you want to do exactly in a layman language and ask them to build a prompt for you to build that website. So you can ask ChatGPT, okay, I want to build a meeting scheduler, a website for myself. These are the features I am thinking. Can you suggest anything else that I can add? It might suggest more things to you. Then you can have that conversation, and at the end of the conversation, you can ask ChatGPT, okay, considering everything, write me a prompt that I can use in Cursor to build this exact website. And then that prompt, you can paste it here to build what you're trying to build. Let's see, the AI agent has done a pretty good job. Here I can host this website and send it to anyone who wants to schedule a meeting. They can mention their name, email, whatever date and the duration and notes, and you'll be able to see the scheduled meetings here. So right now it does not show available slots, but I can build on this. I can add another prompt to add these functionalities or more functionalities or fix whatever I want. So this was a beginner tutorial on how you can get started with vibe coding. Now how can it help? It can help you start earning in college by freelancing. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, कई कंपनीज को अपना एक MVP बिल्ड करना होता है, which is a minimum viable product. एक प्रोडक्ट जो कि एक आइडिया पे बेस्ड है, which might not have the best UI, might not have all the functionalities, but a basic version that just works. So you can build that in minutes for companies. You can also build website templates, app templates, and sell them on these websites. Or you can build tiny apps for niche problems like an Instagram caption generator. या फिर you can build local business solutions जैसे कि an app or a website for a local gym or a restaurant or a salon. Remember, vibe coding is just AI plus low code plus your creativity. So use your creativity and start building today using these tools. Instead of grinding for months before building something, you can now build in minutes. Let us know in the comments what all ideas you want to build using vibe coding. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.